Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.9, Problem 26. This is Section 1.9, Problem 26. It says use the correct order of operations to solve the following problem. And we have 27 divided by 9 in parentheses, plus, then in brackets, we have 2 plus 5 in parentheses times 4. So you have a lot of parentheses. The brackets are really a different type of parentheses. They're all called grouping symbols. So when you have more than one set of parentheses, what you need to do first is the innermost set of parentheses. That would be the 2 plus 5. So let me leave the left side just for one step anyway. 27 divide by 9 in parentheses. I could actually do it now, but let's leave it. Let's follow the rules and do the innermost set of parentheses first. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So now I have 7 times 4. So now I have a set of parentheses plus a set of brackets, which are really different types of parentheses. So now you can really read them through from left to right and do the leftmost parentheses first, but they can even actually be done in the same step if you want to. But again, I will just now do the leftmost set of parentheses first. 27 divided by 9, that'll be 3. Now the left parentheses are done. And I can leave the brackets on the right for now. Technically, I could do them right now, but I've gotten rid of the leftmost set of parentheses. So now I have 3 plus some work in brackets, or a different type of parentheses. You have to do the work in parentheses first. So I'll leave the 3 in front, plus 7 times 4 is 28. And now the whole problem comes down to 3 plus 28, which is 31.